Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And also make sure you check out my weekly trade zones, $50 for a lifetime subscription. Also now includes over 5 hours of educational videos with every membership in the members section. So check that out. Links down below in the description. But as always, let's jump right into the video. This is the weekly watch list for May 17th, 2021. So we're looking at the S&P Emini futures, and this is what I'm looking at for the potential market going forward. This past week, we did have a nice little sell-off right to the 50-period moving average, and just like clockwork, like every other time, right, the buyers step in. So let's take a look back real quick, right? So we kind of fall below the 50 here, bounce up, right? We touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dip below 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 touches on this 50-period moving average over the last year, okay? I think, listen, I'm not going to try and fight this market. We are in the bull market. We have to respect that. I did say sell in May and go away. I was correct for a couple days. We did have the sell-off I was looking for. I was saying I like the 4,000 level. I've been saying that for a while. We came down to a low of 4,032, and then the market's kind of rip your face off rally in the last 2 days, okay? Everything that I'm saying, we are bullish in the overall market, but we do have no excess up above here. So this week, I'm going to be calling for, again, just keep it basic, right? Reverse waterfall, higher lows. Just keep an eye on it. Now, it'll be interesting. Watch when we get up here at this double top. What is the RSI doing, right? Is the RSI still overbought, or does it just start to kind of go up? And do we make a breakout, have a little bit of excess, and then have a pullback to this breakout level? Okay. Eventually, this trend of us bouncing off the 50-period moving average will end one day, I promise. I just don't know when that day will be. It could be in 2 weeks, it could be in 2 years. But the market is overly strong. We are in an opening trade, so just something to take a look at. Let's take a look at the NQ. Okay, NQ, we had a nice sell-off, okay, but up here, we have no excess up here either. This is why I'm bullish on the market, right? I think there's no excess on the ESs or on the NQs. You don't finish market moves without excess more than likely, right? So with that being said, nice move to the upside, but look at this. This is a little interesting. We're actually below the 50-period moving average and holding, right? We kind of closed below it while the ESs were above it, but again, I think the market goes higher this week at least, unless there's some news, things like that. But just keep these levels. I still like these levels, the 12.4, the 12,600 levels, things like that, okay? Also, the very first touch will probably be a really good buy on the NQ if we do get up there. But the telltale to really get bullish on the NQ is if we take out this 13,800 level, okay, this prior swing high, if we're able to take out this level, chances are we're going to take out this level, okay? So also look at the RSI. We got to oversold condition and nice bounce. So maybe as we get back up here, everything will start to fall back in line and we will see new highs on the NQ. So we will need to watch to see what happens with that. Let's take a look at crude oil. This week, I'm actually bullish on the oil this week. Oil, nice reversal, 2-day reversal. Usually when you have a big down day and then a big up day like this, go with the second move, right? But again, if we get above the 66 level, watch out. I won't be surprised if we get back up to the 68 level to retest this high. But I am bullish on oil. Also bullish the market this coming weekend. Everything is looking good. Let's take a look at Bitcoin/BTC. I did a video a couple days ago. I said if we break below that 52 level on Bitcoin, literally half hour after I posted the video, that's when Elon Musk came out with the whole Bitcoin thing, stuff like that, and nice pull down. Again, lower highs, lower lows. That's the bigger picture. Any move back up, maybe to 54,000, look for a potential short. Also, if you just a FYI, the small exchange, you could go to their website, thesmallexchange.com, check out their YouTube page, but they, I believe, starting Monday, the 17th, they're going to start having crude oil future contracts where essentially every penny is a $1 move, right? So if you trade a crude oil, going back to crude oil real quick, okay, if oil goes from 66 to 67, it's a $1 move. Well, this is a $1,000 contract. Well, with the small exchange, it's only a $100 contract. So something to check out. You could trade with them with Tastyworks, other brokerage firms and all that. So just something to throw out there to everybody. Let's take a look at gold. GLD, I've said I'm bullish gold, been dead right on gold. Nice breakout. I told you guys on the video the other day. I like gold to the upside. Gold is looking good. Silver too. Now, is gold and silver telling us something's going on under the market? Maybe. We will have to wait and see what's going on. And then let's take a look at a couple stock ideas for this week. Apple, nice move off Apple the last couple of days, but we are right at the 50 period. Okay, we are under it. So even though we're bullish, just keep an eye on this. Okay, if we could close above 50, I'd say if we could get above 31, I think they might make a run for at least this 40 level on Apple. So kind of bullish on Apple. You had the chance to buy the dip the other day. I even said, hey, go look at the 80 puts. And the market ripped higher the very next day. LABU, I talked about this yesterday in my video 2 days ago for a potential long. I bought this in my Patreon portfolio page. There's a link down below. It's $8 a month. That's it. And you can follow all my trades in the portfolio. We bought, I believe it was right around $56, LABU. LABU, and look at that, we're at $62 already. So we're already up like $5 or $6 on that trade. I actually think this thing's going back up to about 80, probably 75 to 80. That's my ultimate target. So really nice trade going on. VIAC, Viacom. I still like Viacom. I think going into the summer, I think it's a good trade. It's just giving us, if it does drop below, I will definitely be scooping this thing up at lower prices. But we will have to wait and see. Just keep that on your watch list. And then AT&T. AT&T's been a nice call. Remember, we bought some long leap calls in the portfolio. on AT&T, and so we're also up on that. And then finally, let's take a look at one more stock, TSLA, Tesla. Okay, nice bounce right here off the 200. Watch price. If we break above Friday's high, right here, okay, nice clean waterfall, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If we break above, I think it's a nice risk reward potential to get long with a stop below this low here. Again, it's not trade advice, just trade ideas. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on YouTube. But I hope that helps. So lots of trade ideas for this week. I am bullish. I'm leaning bullish overall, things like that with the overall market. And we will see how this week plays out. Remember, it's options expiration this week. So we will see some weird things, some weird moves going into options expiration Friday. So be safe out there. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you guys soon.